Cecilia spoke about, walking around trans laws here in New York, the number of condoms being, a reason to be able to arrest people. I'm wondering, what are some of the laws and policies that you're concerned about there in Atlanta and in Georgia?
Yeah, so SNAP I heard you talking about decrim versus legalization earlier. And so SNAP really demands that Atlanta expunges all sex workers of prostitution charges and decriminalize all forms of sex work, right? Particularly for Black, trans, and queer people. And what that currently looks like is repealing the current city ordinance of solicitation and loitering laws. Also, we really need a commitment from police, APD, and surrounding police officers to cease all stings and raids, right? And really deprioritize arrests for sex workers in the ways that we deprioritized arrests for the reclassification of marijuana in 2017. And so that's what we're primarily focused on right now. The repealing of solicitation is something that has been, the other offering when we first came together back in 2013 outside of the pre-arrest diversion initiative, right? We knew that folks just don't need to be in cages. And so that's our primary focus right now, while we have the City of Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance-Bottoms' attention around and commitment around LGBTQ issues, around HIV issues and criminalization laws. We want to make sure that she's hearing about the lives and experiences of sex workers.